Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can customize WooCommerce checkout page with Elementor. So step number one is this is prerequisites. So you can check the Elementor Pro. So you just have to ensure that you have Elementor Pro installed and activated on your WordPress site, as the theme builder feature is required for customizing the checkout page template. So you also need a WooCommerce plugin active and configured with products. So the Elementor Pro provides dedicated WooCommerce widgets to integrate the checkout form. Next step is to create a new checkout template. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to all of these, click on Add New and select the template type as checkout. So give your template a name, like for example, custom checkout, and click create template. So the Elementor will open with a blank or canvas or prompt you to use a pre-designed template block. Next step is to insert checkout form. So in the Elementor panel, search for the WooCommerce widgets. Drag and drop the checkout widget onto the page. So this dramatically pulls standard. So the WooCommerce from fields. So use this widget like checkout cart or order cart to build the full layout. You can also design elements like headers, footers, sidebars, and custom text badges using standard Elementor widgets. Lastly is to apply a template to checkout page. So just click on publish button where prompted to set conditions, and then choose the include and checkout page. So this replaces the default WooCommerce checkout page with the Elementor design. So always test that this so always test the checkout process through so always check so always test So always test the checkout process thoroughly after publishing to ensure all payment gateways and form submissions are working correctly for both logged in and guest users. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!